Hello and welcome to Ajay Astro Money Guru, your trusted channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Today, we delve into the recent movements in the global cotton market, focusing on ICE cotton futures and the factors shaping the market landscape. On Thursday, ICE cotton futures faced pressure as the US dollar strengthened, casting a shadow over trade. The December cotton contract settled at 68.32 cents per pound, marking a decline of 0.58 cents. March and May futures followed suit, closing at 70.56 and 71.86 cents per pound, respectively. Despite this, December cotton has still recorded a weekly gain of 1.15%, showcasing resilience amidst market volatility. The US dollar's rally has added complexity to the market, while crude oil prices experienced modest gains. These mixed signals are influencing the cotton market. Adding to the uncertainty are potential policy changes under the Trump administration, which could include tariffs impacting US-China trade relations and supply chains. Domestically, the US cotton harvest is progressing swiftly. As of now, 75% of the crop has been harvested, which is 8% above the seasonal average. Reports show that 2.402 million running bales were processed in the first 2 weeks of November, bringing the season's total to 4.696 million bales, a 5-year high. On the export front, upland cotton bookings reached 229,039 running bales by the end of October, but only 145,832 bales were shipped, bringing total commitments to 5.892 million bales. This represents 55% of the USDA's annual target, which is lower than the usual 66% rate at this point in the season. The USDA has revised US cotton production forecast slightly downward to 14.19 million bales. Exports were also trimmed by 200,000 bales to 11.3 million, pushing projected ending stocks to 4.3 million bales. In online trading, the scene reported sales of 1,780 bales at an average price of 62.34 cents per pound as of November 13. Certified ICE cotton stocks have grown to 11,224 bales after recent addition of 11,050 bales. Meanwhile, the COTLOK index dropped by 95 points to 81.30 cents per pound, and the USDA's adjusted world price rose by 24 points to 58.20 cents per pound. As we move forward, all eyes are on the upcoming US Department of Agriculture weekly export sales report, which is expected to provide further insights into the state of the cotton market. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this update helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and timely updates on commodities. Stay tuned to Ajay Astro Money Guru for expert insights and market trends. See you in the next